Welcome. So I bought here this membrane keypad and let's unbox it. What is in there? And here it is, numbers 1 to 9 and 0 and the star and the hash, and it has 7 wires to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 7 wires go to here, these 7 outlets. And good, that's that. And now I saw that this 90-degree connector, and let's put it into the breadboard. Now it's fixed, and let's connect the keypad to this. So I'm using these 8 pins on the connector. I'm using the right 7 ones. One pin to the left is left free, and when I push these buttons here, nothing happens, of course. Now let's test this. When I stick my probe to the first lead to the left and I go through all of them, nothing happens, no sound, of course. So, but when I stick to the first contact to the left, and then I'm choosing the third from the right, and then I press 1, and there is a beep. Only at 1. And the reason is because then the pressing the 1 connects this first lead from the left and this third lead from the right together. Now let's what I do. The second from the right I have connected. Now the second here is beeping. So pressing these things here is, these numbers is like creating a contact between 2 pins here in a structured manner. Now our task would be to analyze which connections we make, and then write a very complicated Arduino program for it. And if we can somehow skip that program, writing that complicated program, that would be super. Luckily, there is an Arduino library that we can use that knows already about these buttons and the connections these buttons make, so we don't have to make now an electrical scheme of what goes to ground and what Arduino input is a sensing input and what is an output and a timing pattern, but we will be using an Arduino library. And so I have connected the Arduino now, and I'm connecting it, the Arduino via USB to my Mac. And now you see the LED blinking program I ran earlier is turned on, so Arduino is ready to go. And we visit the Arduino website, and they have this cool keypad library here. Let's go to the documentation. And as always, I skip things to the relevant parts. And then here's download, install, and import, how you import the library for the Arduino. So let's do it like they say in this line above: sketch, include library, manage libraries. I'm starting up my Arduino IDE, which I have in version 1.8.x, as you have seen probably in another video. So let's go to sketch, include library, manage libraries. And here we search for keypad, because that is the library we want. So okay, the Adafruit keypad, that's not the one we want. Let's scroll down. And where is it? Here we have it. So we install that. Goes real quick. And then just to be sure, let's check in the installed property. Yeah, that's once installed in 3.1.1 version. So there's an example also in the documentation, and we just copy that. So let's put this to the side and copy that whole thing, that whole example code. of the library documentation page. We just replace whatever is in here in the Arduino with this code now. So this should hopefully work out of the box. Let's make this window a little bit bigger. So we have 4 rows, 3 columns. That is exactly what we had with our hardware you've seen before. And now, oh yeah, there is some settings. So let's analyze. They define what row pins and what column pins are on the Arduino. Yeah, let's just upload this and see if it works out of the box. Would be a nice try. So I have to save that before I upload it. So let's make a keypad start. Oh, what? Something is wrong. Oh yeah, my code is wrong, I think. Yeah, there's a missing closing parenthesis, as always in coding, when you copy stuff. Okay, so upload this. Better. Yeah, done uploading, it says in the green bar. So, most probably now I can type on the keypad and see what reactions we are getting. So let's do this. Okay, so pressing 1 now several times. No output. I would expect it here in the top black and red font to that 1 is appearing here in this big green Arduino space here down there, but nothing happens. So I realize the pinout is a little bit different, most probably, from what I have done. So they say here row pins 5, 4, 3, 2 and call pins 8, 7, 6. That's not exactly what I have chosen. I've started with my pins from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 6 with my highest pin, I think, because it's 7 pins. So we have to adapt that here. So let's start the column pins. The first one is 0, then 1, then 2, and then the row pins 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, that should be about it. Let's upload that. And now I should be able to press again some keys and get results then. Pressing 1, but 2, no. Still no results. Okay, no output in this black window down there, what I wanted. There must be some trick to this. Perhaps this is not the debugging output window. No, there must be some trick to this. What is the trick? So let's see. Most often there is some kind of tools window, some kind of output debugging window that I can open somewhere. Not, yeah, that's the verify button. That does not much. Where could be such a button where I can open a console output window? So, or maybe the program is wrong. So let's do a line print of Arduino keypad starter program, and every time the loop starts we want to print that out, so we are sure, because the loop is entered very often in my opinion, so we would see something here. But again, done uploading and nothing appears in the black windows. So yeah, so the program is not wrong with the keys, most probably, but we are simply not seeing any serial output. So where is here? Tools. Serial monitor. Oops, what is here? This device is not available, the port. Why not? Let's do ports again. So set the real port once again, just to be sure. And now, We set a port to a board that is really there, that the tools showed us, so most probably now everything should be correct. So can we do upload the program again? And then go to tools and the serial monitor again. Huh? Look here. Now that line we wrote, that's the thing we want. There our output of the Arduino is shown. Oh, we can add timestamps here. Nice one. Let's remove them. Okay, that's way too much output. We have to get rid of this one. Delete this line of output and upload the file in this manner again without this whole big output thing. Again, now starting the serial monitor. So it should be a good program. Let's check it. So there's the serial output. Let's go to the keypad and press some buttons there. So, okay, showing our timestamps will be good. So what's the 1? Oh, 1. Okay, cool. We did it. So let's enter something. Let's enter the Christmas date, 24th of December this year. So where are my numbers? Here. 24. 2022. Okay, that worked. Hey, wow. Congratulations. We just managed to integrate the keypad with Arduino. Wow. And let's see if all the buttons are correct now here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then the, whoops, 7, 8, 9, then the star, and 0 and hash. No. Something was wrong here. I think the star here. Star gives a hash. That's not good. Star, star, star. No. So something is wrong. What is wrong? And perhaps, yeah, it's easy. So here, this layout, this library author had was, the hash was to the left. It's just, the sides are just opposite on my hardware. The star is to the left. Can happen, no big deal. So let's try it again. And so let's clear the output and press the star again. Let's do what options do we have here. Oh, new lines are cool. So let's save that. And then, so I'm pressing the star, the yields are, hey, a star. And pressing the hash yields a hash. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Exactly what we wanted. So star 0 hash, also exactly. Cool. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet in the next video, I think. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you like these videos, and I will be highly motivated to present you even more of this electronic stuff. Thank you, bye.